Hi guys, welcome back to Bright Buddies 2020. Today we're going to learn easy way to subtract. Now we take the ones place. Here's the number 5 minus 7. So 5 is smaller and 7 is bigger. Now we can't subtract 5 minus 7, right? We take 1 from 8 and we put the 5 on top and we take the 1 and put it on the side, so it equals 15, and 15 minus 7 equals 8. 8 right there, and 8 becomes 7. 7 minus 3 equals 4. And 6 minus 4 equals 2. So 248 is the answer for this question. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned very good. Subscribe to my channel, click the like button and share. Bye guys.